So first you fold it in half one way, and then you fold it corner to corner. So then hold it so that the open side's on your right, and then you're going to lift one open side up and go kind of inside of it, and then you're just going to push it down so it forms a square. And then you crease it. Then you do the same thing to the other side. You open it up and push it down. Then you have a small square. So you flip it over and do it. And then the next step, I'll teach you how to do this. You just fold it in. On both sides.
This is confusing.
What?
This is confusing.
Yeah, I know.
It's fine though.
And then you'll do after you crease on the flaps, you open them up and you lift up just the top layer like that, and then you fold it in, the creased flaps inward. And then you do the same thing to the other side. And then what you'll do is you open up the flap on one side, and then you fold it in. You fold it in, and then there'll be single pieces that you lift up. And then you fold it. And then you do the same thing to this side. And then what you do is you push it down a bit, and then once you got it, the angle you want is you pinch it. And then you choose one side to be the head. I'll do this side. And you unfold it a bit, and you push it down and fold it in. Then you can just lift up the two other flaps, and then you have your birdie.